So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer options. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on the View tab. Scroll down until you see Hide extensions for known file types. Make sure you have this unticked. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. Now you want to find the Excel file that's giving you a problem. Make sure that the file extension is correct. Either XLSX, XLS or XLSM. These are the Excel file extensions. You're most likely using one of the newer versions of Excel, so make sure that you have your file name right here and then .xlsx at the end. If you don't, then just right click on your file and then click on Show More Options and then click on Rename and then just add a .xlsx. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in Run. Click on it. Once you run this, you want to type in Excel space / safe and then click on Enter. It's now going to open Excel in safe mode. And now once we're here, on the top left, you want to click on File and then click on Open and then click on Browse. You want to find the file you're having a problem with, click on it one time, which will then highlight it. Now where it says Open, click on the drop down and then select Open and Repair. And then click on Repair. It should now open normally. Hopefully this will fix your problem.